Hello, today we are going to change the light on the rear of your scooter, and in this video I'm going to show you how. Hello everybody, this is a really good thing to do with your scooter to make sure you have a working light in the back. Sometimes you don't really realize that your light is not working in the back, so sometimes just turn around, okay? Turn around when you're driving, make sure the light is working, because if nobody sees you, especially at night time, that's a real problem, okay? So, to change this light, it is really easy, okay? You only need a Phillips screwdriver. I just want you to be careful, because everything is plastic, okay? So, my brake. So, to change the light bulb is right here. That's for the back part. If you look inside, it has two wires inside, okay? Now, this one is a Sylvania long life light bulb for the back, okay? This one is 1157 and is a 12 volts, 26 watts, 26.88 to be exact, okay? So, to change this, you just need a screwdriver. There is a Phillips screwdriver. Right here, there is two screws, and underneath there is two screws down here, okay? So be careful. Now gently, you screw these ones, okay? And the one underneath. Now right after you screw the one underneath, this part will come out. Make sure you don't lose the screws, okay? Now to check if this light bulb is not good anymore, just look inside the light bulb, okay? If you look inside, you're going to see some brake wires, okay? That's, you know that the light bulb doesn't work anymore, okay? And sometimes you see some black stuff right on top. That means it's really burned out. Make sure this one looks good, because sometimes they get from the plastic, they break down, okay? So make sure this one looks pretty healthy, okay? Now something I really want to show you, that's really something important. Look at those little nipples. Can you call it nipples on the side of the base of the light bulb? They're not the same, okay? One is on top, one is on the bottom, okay? So if you look inside, one connection where these nipples goes is lower and one is higher, okay? So you have to make sure you put it in the right way. Because if you're not placing the light bulb the right way, when it goes in and turn, it's going to force, okay? You don't want to force a light bulb, because you're going to break it, okay? Now what you're going to do, you're just going to press and turn, okay? What you're just going to do, just press and turn. If you feel that the light bulb is forcing, twist the light bulb on the other side, okay? Remember, there is two little nipple right here on the side of the base of the light bulb, okay? It looks pretty easy to change it, but if you do this and you press the light bulb in there and you twist, you're gonna break the whole harness, okay, of the light bulb. Now if you want to change the turn signal on the side, if you want to change the turn signal side, just remove this part right here and you can change the turn signal left and right, okay? Now be careful, this everything is made out of plastic, okay? Now make sure everything looks good. After you're done, try with the scooter, turn on to make sure this light is going to work before you close everything, okay? To change the light underneath for your license plate, there is two screws underneath right here and one screw is right here. Just remove this part right here, you change the light bulb. Now this one is This is the light of the license plate. Now, it looks like it's time for me to change it, but at the moment it's still working, so I will change it soon, okay? You just make sure that goes inside there. Doesn't have one way or the other one to place it in. Just one way is okay. Right after you check this back light, you can close it back again right here, and you can put the screws. Make sure you don't tie too much because it's made of plastic and you can get the problems because it's gonna fall apart, okay? So after you check all your lights, you can put this part again right here, okay? You cannot interlock with the other two parts, you know, interlock with the turn signal. Make sure they get together pretty good, this turn signal left and right, when you screw this Phillips screw inside, okay? So at this point the only thing you have to do is just try to make sure it's gonna work, and you go and ride your scooter. Okay, we just changed the rear light on your scooter. This is something really easy to do, something really important to do to make sure everybody knows that you're there, because especially at night time, if you have lights that are not working in the back, that's a big problem. Okay everybody, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, click like please, and have a great day.